In this video, we're going to talk about agent versioning and naming within the Aria. In this case, we are going to start by creating a new agent using the New Agent button. Next, we'll create a simple agent that we can iterate on and create different versions of. We'll call this Test Agent. I can give it a name in the top left corner. I can also go into my settings and edit the name there. I can assign an agent icon, an image to represent the agent, and I can also provide an agent description and a video. For example, testing versioning of agents, then I can create a video to describe how to use this agent, which will be included in the agent catalog. Once I've updated the name, I can start creating different versions of the agent. Let's say we're creating an agent to perform translation. I can go in, create a prompt, and enter Translate to Spanish. I can then assign that as a prompt to the agent. After that, I'll save the prompt and save my changes. You'll notice the version of the agent has incremented. The first version had no prompt, and I can go back and view that version. I can also click on the new version, version 1.01, and view that version on the platform. Clicking Save Changes will update the minor version of the agent. If I want to update the major version, I can click Publish Agent. This will increment the major version of the agent. Now, I'll have version 1 and version 2. The final thing to note is that the agent that actually runs is the one marked as active. When I check the version history, I see that version 1 is still the active version, but I want version 2 to be the one that runs in the catalog. To set the agent as active, I simply click the Set Active button. Now, I can see that version 2 is the active version of the agent that will run when a user executes this test agent. Thanks for watching.